this video, we're going to show you how to configure a retrofit landscape in the Projects and Setup app. Before you get started, make sure that you have the Project Admin or Retrofit Configurator role, a maintenance and an implementation track. Set up Retrofit on your managed system. This is explained in the Setup and Administration Guide for SAP Cloud ALM. For the configuration of a retrofit landscape, you need a system group with your maintenance track, a system group with your implementation track, a source project which is used for maintenance activities, a target project which is used to transfer objects from the maintenance track to the implementation track, a source deployment plan, and a target deployment plan. Depending on your context, you can either create new entities or use existing ones. In this video, we're using existing entities. First, let's open the Projects and Setup app and select the System Groups tab. As you can see, we have two system groups. A system group with the maintenance track and a system group with the implementation track. Let's switch to our target deployment plan and assign the system group with the implementation track. The Source Deployment Plans field is filled automatically after we've assigned our target project to the Source Deployment Plan. We'll have a look at this later. Next, we go to our target project. Here, we're assigning our target deployment plan. The system group with the implementation track is automatically selected because this system group is assigned to the target deployment plan. Let's have a look at the source deployment plan. Here, we're assigning the system group with the maintenance track. Then, we're assigning the target project. This creates the relation between our source and target deployment plan. Source is the development system of our maintenance track. Note that multiple source systems can have the same target system. Target is the development system of our implementation track. If you're using a landscape with more than two systems, N+2, mapping is done in a cascade manner. This means, in the end deployment plan, the end development system is mapped to the N+1 development system as the target. In the N+1 deployment plan, the N+1 development system becomes the source, and the N+2 development system becomes the target. Let's have a quick look at the target deployment plan again. Now, the source deployment plans field is filled. Let's go to our source project and assign the source deployment plan for retrofit. The system group with the maintenance track is automatically assigned after we select a deployment plan. This is because the system group is assigned to the source deployment plan. This concludes the retrofit configuration. We're now ready to perform a retrofit.